Hello everyone, this is my review of the Konscious Keto Activate Dark Chocolate Truffle Powder Mix. Right out of the box, it smells and tastes like rich, indulgent chocolate, but without the guilt. I mix 1 scoop with cold water, nut milk, or my morning coffee. It dissolves smoothly and doesn't clump, just creamy goodness. I felt less hungry between meals that helped curb those annoying cravings. Without any caffeine jitters, I felt sharper and stayed focused through late work sessions. It tastes delicious, like a chocolate shake with none of the sugar. If you're following keto or fasting and want a tasty tool to help manage cravings and improve focus, this mix is a great choice. Just remember, it complements, not replaces, good diet and lifestyle habits. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.